This is for Year 12 Specialists. It comes out of 3A. Question 1, it's sketching a cot graph. Remember that if the tan of x will have a period of pi, therefore asymptotes at pi on 2 and minus pi on 2, and its curve will look like this, then cot, which is 1 on the tan of x, where that was 0 will have an asymptote, and where that is small it will be big. It will actually look like this. So where this was approaching infinity, you're going to have an x-intercept. Where this was really, really small, the one will be really big. So to keep that in mind, the period of this is going to be the same as the period of tan, because I've got 1 on the tan of x minus 3 pi on 4. N is 1, so it's going to be pi. And since I've got from 0 to 2 pi, I've got, I don't know what I'm drawing there, I've got 2 complete cycles. Therefore, my endpoints and my y-intercept should be the same. So I'd like to find the y-intercept. So y of 0 is going to be 1 on tan of 0 minus 3 pi on 4. Where is minus 3 pi on 4? If I start here at 0, minus 1 pi on 4, minus 2 pi on 4, here is minus 3 pi on 4. All stations to Columbia, tan is positive in that quadrant, so it's going to equal 1 on the tan of pi on 4, which is 1 on 1, which is 1. Okay, so it's going to equal 1 as a y-intercept. Cool. So if I draw my axis, at 0 I'm going to be at 1, and at 2 pi I'm going to be at 1, and also know that at pi, because the period of this is pi, that will also be at 1. Okay, I'm interested in where are these asymptotes. The asymptotes of this will be when the tan of x minus 3 pi on 4 equals 0. Because when the tan of that equals 0, you're going to have 1 divided by 0. Therefore, that's where the asymptotes will occur. So the tan of theta equals 0 at 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, minus pi. So x minus 3 pi on 4 equals minus pi, 0, pi, 2 pi. X will equal minus pi plus 3 pi on 4 is minus pi on 4. 0 plus 3 pi on 4 is 3 pi on 4. Pi plus pi on 4 is 5 pi on 4. 2 pi plus pi on 4 is 9 pi on 4. This one here is pi plus pi, 3 pi on 4. That's not correct. That will be pi, which is 4 pi on 4 plus 3 is 7 pi on 4. This is 8 pi on 4 plus 3 is 11 pi on 4. This is outside my domain. That's outside my domain. They're going to be my 2 asymptotes. So if I divide this into quarters, got it 3 pi on 4, so I have an asymptote there at 3 pi on 4. And 7 pi on 4. 4, 5, 6, 7 pi on 4. And it's going to curve like this. So it's going to go through there, dead middle, and the curve will look like and it's going to go through there, so the curve is going to look like, and it will continue and finish there. So there is my 2 complete cycles. That's at 1, that's at 2 pi on 1. This will be at pi on 4, 2 pi on 4, 3 pi on 4, 4 pi on 4, 5 pi on 4. I've labelled my 2 x-intercepts, I've labelled my y-intercept, I've labelled the endpoint.